is according to the Constitution of India, the term district judge shall not include. Your options are A. Chief Presidency Magistrate, B. Sessions Judges, C. Tribunal Judge, or D. Chief Judge of a small cause court. Right answer is C. Tribunal Judge. Your question is acting judges are appointed in. Your options are A. Supreme Court, B. District Court, C. High Court, or D. both A and B. Right answer is C. High Court. Your question is consider the following statements. 1. The mode of removal of a judge of a high court in India is same as that of removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. 2. After retirement from the office, a permanent judge of a high court cannot plead or act in any court or before any authority in India. Which of the statements given above is correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is A. 1 only. The mode of removal of a judge of a high court in India is same as that of removal of a judge of the Supreme Court. Your question is the term district judge is mentioned in which of the following article of Constitution? Your options are A. Article 230, B. Article 231, C. Article 232, D. Article 233, or E. none of the above. Right answer is D. Article 233. Your question is a High Court judge addresses his letter of resignation to. Your options are A. the President, B. the Chief Justice of India, C. the Chief Justice of the High Court, or D. the Governor of the state. Right answer is A. the President. Your question is against which judge the Rajya Sabha passed the motion of impeachment in 2011, but he resigned to save himself before it could be passed by the Lok Sabha. Your options are A. Justice V. Ramaswamy, B. Justice Bhattacharya, C. Justice Soumitra Sen, or D. Justice P.D. Dinakaran. Right answer is C. Justice Soumitra Sen. Your question is the mobile court in India is the brainchild of. Your options are A. Justice Bhagwati, B. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or D. Mrs. Pratibha Patil. Right answer is C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Your question is name the chairman of the Law Commission who advocates that 1/3 of the judges in each high court should be from another state. Your options are A. Justice P.N. Bhagwati, B. Justice Hidayatullah, C. Justice H.R. Khanna, or D. Justice Chandrachud. Right answer is C. Justice H.R. Khanna. Your question is who is the Chief Justice of High Court of Himachal Pradesh? Your options are A. Acharya Devvrat, B. Suryakant, C. Girish Sahani, or D. Shekhar Mande. Right answer is B. Suryakant. Your question is with reference to Lok Adalats, which of the following statements is correct? Your options are A. Lok Adalat have the jurisdiction to settle the matters at the pre-litigation stage and not those matters pending before any court. B. Lok Adalats can deal with matters which are civil and not criminal in nature. C. Every Lok Adalat consists of either serving or retired judicial officers only and not any other person. Or D. None of the statements given above is correct. Right answer is D. None of the statements given above is correct. Your question is with reference to the Gram Nyaya Act, which of the following statements is correct? 1. As per the Act, Gram Nyaya can hear only civil cases and no criminal cases. 2. The Act allows local social activists as mediators or reconciliators. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is B. 2 only. The Act allows only local social activists as mediators or reconciliators.